Use a H4 bit to loosen the 2 screws to remove the handle assembly. Unplug the connector to separate the handle assembly. Use an H4 bit to loosen the 6 screws securing the lower gear case cover. Use a T20 bit to loosen the screws at the connection points, then remove the lower gear case cover assembly. Use an H4 bit to loosen the 2 screws, then replace the entire blade assembly. Position the back of the assembly in the proper position on top of the drive cams, then align the 2 holes with the bosses on the lower gear case cover. Use an H4 bit to tighten the 2 screws to assemble the blade assembly onto the gear case cover assembly. The recommended torque is 3 to 3.5 Nm or 2.2 to 2.6 foot-pounds. Assemble the lower gear case cover assembly. Use a H4 bit to assemble the lower gear case cover with 6 screws. The recommended torque is 3 to 3.5 Nm or 2.2 to 2.6 foot-pounds. Use a T20 bit to tighten the screws at the connection points. The recommended torque is 1.5 to 2.0 Nm or 1.1 to 1.5 foot-pounds. Connect the cable of handle assembly and push it back into the slot. Use a H4 bit to tighten the 2 screws to secure the handle assembly. The recommended torque is 5 to 5.5 Nm or 3.7 to 4.1 foot-pounds.